is the new Paula station. I don't know why it came in this box, but it came in late last night, 6:45 or something. And so I'm opening now in the morning. Yeah, I do have this multi-tool because you need it to open. Call it hack switches and flathead. I'm gonna set up. Okay, well, I never paused in the first place, so. Here we are. Packaging. Here she is. So it's pulled. Oh, this thing's nice. And then we have back, and the front. Local arm, 270 SPO. Open her up. See if we can reset it. I need to do this. I might need to put a new screw. Here it is. Yeah, it's definitely gonna need some grease. There we go. Oh, good bullet. So pull down and keys to fire. There you go. It's cool. I like this. Little box is cute. I'm gonna keep it. It's part of the post station was moving, so it's just like it's actually in good condition on the sides. Pretty good condition. Back, not so bad. I've always wanted one of these 270 SPOs. It does not have the model number in it. I'll probably just put a sticker in there and just write it. The back rod, the glass rod mechanism works. So yeah, I'll be back when I get all wired up on my new system.